I hope you are all doing fantastic. Right after filming this look, which I don't know if this look will be up before this video or after, the mail carrier came and I got my Boxycharm for the month of May. And I'm really excited. I know I chose to get a Hourglass Vanish highlighter, so I can't wait to see what color I get. I think it's rose gold, but I'm not for sure. Go ahead and cut this open. Late last week, I did get an email from Boxycharm giving me a link to the insert card. It wasn't up at that time. Now it is. So I'm going to presume I don't have an insert card in here, which I really did like them. They were just a nice little sheet to have. And I kept them so I knew exactly what items I was using, and you know, I could refer back to past ones. So here is the box for this month. And here is my Hourglass. I haven't used a lot of products from Hourglass. I do like their blushes, and I like that palette I got, the Ignite palette. I don't know what palette it is now. It's going to bother me. The Ambient Lighting palette. I liked that a lot. This is pretty big. I don't know if you can. And this is in the shade Rose Gold Flash. The description in the website says, an instant flash of light to the skin in 5 brilliant shades for unparalleled glow. These mesmerizing highlighters shares the same innovative weightless texture of Vanish to give you the most seamless, lustrous highlight to the skin. Instant payoff, effortless blendability, and long-wearing luster in a sleek, portable stick for an instant flash of light anytime, anywhere. And this is what it looks like. Let's see what this one looks like. And this is what it looks like on the skin. It is very pretty. So I'm excited to try that in an upcoming video. And the Hourglass Vanish Stick retails for $42. And I'll leave the descriptions and prices down below in the description box. The next item in the palette and on the insert card is this Beauty Creations Cosmetics, the Cali Chic eyeshadow palette. And this retails for $14.99. And this says the Cali Chic has the perfect amount of warm tones with pops of color, made of 5 mattes and 4 shimmers. This color scheme mimics a perfect summer day with the ability to take you from soft glam to full glam. This palette is a staple for anyone's collection. So it must be a 9-pan palette, and it is. So that's very pretty. And let me get some swatches for you. So up first is Venice. Then we have Malibu. Marina. Tan Lines. Boardwalk. These are pretty. Sail. And then the final three. Sunset. Beach Babe. No, that one I got too much on my finger. And Laguna. Get some of this. There we go. So here is that palette. The Beauty Creations Cali Chic. I am excited to give this palette a try. Those shimmer shades are stunning. I also received the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer. In the description, it says the Pretty Vulgar Uncaged Eyeshadow Primer. Uncaged Eyeshadow Primer is a blendable, lightweight, skin smoothing formula that will enhance your eyeshadows by making them vibrant and long-wearing. Infused with mineral-rich clay to absorb excess oil, it will deliver a crease-proof, fade-proof, translucent finish that is suitable for all skin tones. I don't want to get too much out. I like the packaging. It's plain, but at the same time elegant. And there is that. It feels like a nice consistency. So I will be using that when I use that new palette that I got. And if I didn't say so already, this retails for $22. I also received this Blink Ink Black Lash Primer. I've never heard of this brand, so I'm always excited to try new brands. And I do like lash primer. I have the Lancome one up here as well. So, this one retails for $26. And this description says, Black Lash Primer delivers the ultimate base of lash fullness and thickness while providing a true black finish. Vitamins and nourishing ingredients impart long-lasting moisturization and conditioning to protect lashes from damage and environmental stresses. So $26 this is. And this is what that lash brush looks like. Ooh, a little bit much. It smells like mascara. Well, I'm always liking to try new brands, so I'm going to try this out and see how I like this lash primer, and I will definitely keep you updated. And last up, we have the Too Faced Rich and Dazzling Lip Gloss. Mine is in the shade Net Worth. It looks like it's going to be a pretty color. Each twinkling shade of this dazzling gloss wraps your lips in luxurious dimension. The combination of light reflecting glitters in this comfortable formula, enriched with natural oil, gives your lips Now, it gives you a lip experience so rich and indulgent, you'll feel like you're dripping in diamonds. Bold, full impact color with a lightweight, barely there feel on lips. And this retails for $21. And this is what it looks like. It does feel pretty comfortable. And I like the glitters. It's a color that's suitable for me. I really like that. That's pretty. When I added up everything, my total came to $125.99, which basically rounded up, and it's $126. I can't wait to try these out and let you see what type of looks I create. I will see you guys in my next video. Much love. Mwah. Bye. Rose gold fat. Rose gold, rose gold, rose gold.